everyone, this is Throttle Foxy. Now Bertie and I travelled from the Sunshine Coast to Brisbane for the last weekend of the Gallery of Modern Art, Motorcycle and Design exhibition. So car parking was pretty expensive around the gallery. It was almost $20 per bike. So we found an awesome park near the pub, and unfortunately it was closed, so we couldn't grab that sneaky beverage beforehand. Due to COVID restrictions, there was a bit of a wait. So it was about 45 minutes to line up before we could actually get into the gallery. So the exhibition, The Motorcycle Design, Art and Desire, was a collection of 100 motorcycles ranging from 1871 through to 2020. Each of these bikes was selected due to their technical achievements and also aesthetics. It was a beautiful exhibition, and one of my favourite parts of this exhibition was the motorcycle activity. It was probably for kids, but I had a good laugh, and I hope you do too. And it was really great to see. It was a really wide range of people at this exhibition. It ranged from people who looked like they go to the gallery every weekend, right through to people who may have never gone to an exhibition before. So great work, GOMA. So if you would like to read more about the exhibition or see more of these beautiful bikes, I'm going to pop some links in the description below, and I would love to know what your favourite bikes are from this collection. Thanks for watching.